वदत संस्कृतं पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं गृहे गृहे च पुनरपि।
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तः वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. So far we have studied from the beginning aksharams, how to write a, I, E, U. I think all of you are familiar with the aksharams now and you are able to read confidently. And while studying aksharam, we have learnt ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, like that also we have learnt. We should remember ka. Ka means k plus a. Ka, k plus a. Ki, k plus e. Ki, k plus e. So let Vyanjanam always consisting a Swaraksharam. Without Swaram, Vyanjanam not complete. It is Vyanjanam only. K, ch, t, p. To spell it, it is difficult. So always it comes along with the Swaraksharam. Gayati. Gayati means it is not starting from Ga itself. G, A, Y, A, T, E. That is the expansion. One or two people still having confusion on it. Please go through once again the previous class. Now, after Gunita Aksharam, we have tried Sabda Lekhana Abhyasaha. Just we want to write and practice it. To pronounce it, to say it and write it. Just we need initially writing skill and reading skill. So I have already sent you enough files to read and write. And after that, we have studied Sarvanama Shabdaha. Saha, Eshaha, Ayam, Bhavan. Like that we have studied Pullingaha, Strilingaha, Napumsakalingaha iti. There also I told we need minimum 25 to 50 Namapadams. Most commonly what we are using, that is enough initially. After that we will increase our vocabulary. See, I have already sent you one file, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga Padam. What you have to do? Just we have to apply here. Saha Ramaha, Eshaha Krishnaha, Ayam Rameshaha, Bhavan Indraha, Saha Chandraha, Eshaha Purushaha. Like that we have to apply all these things for all these things. Need not write, just you start telling it like that. We should apply Saha Eshaha Ayam Bhavan. Then after that, Saha Ramaha, Tau Ramau, Te Ramaha. Eshaha Krishnaha, Etau Krishnau, Ete Krishnaha. Ayam Rameshaha, Imau Rameshau, Ime Rameshaha. Bhavan Indraha, Bhavantau Indrau, Bhavantaha Indraha. Like that we have studied in the previous class, that we have to apply to all these names. After that, in Strilinga, Sa, Esha, Yam, Bhavati. If it is a non-being, if it is a materialistic thing, we should not use bhavan or bhavan bhavati. For human only, we have to use bhavan bhavanti. And sa nadi, esha vani, iyam droni, sa kupi, esha duravani, sa ghati, iyam darvi. Like that, you have to use. Again, ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Sa rama, te rame, taha ramaha, esha nadi, ete nadyau, etaha nadyaha. And in Napumsakalingam, tat palam, te phale, tani phalani. Like that, we have to use ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam to all these words. With the meaning I have sent you. I don't know how many of you observed it. After that, one more file previously we had it. Here also we have to apply. Saha kamsaha, eshaha dantakursaha, ayam gataha, eshaha talaha, saha vrikshaha. Like that we have to use. Then here one picture file is there. That also in Drive. I think you have already seen it. Here also you have to apply it. Syutaha. Now, while you are applying, first you have to decide whether it is a Pullinga or Strilinga or Napumsakalinga. Syutaha, Pinchaha or Pinjaha, Dandaha. By seeing that word itself, now we are able to understand it is Pullinga. Ramaha, Balakaha, Janakaha, Putraha, Syutaha, Margaha, Vrikshaha, Hastaha, Karnaha, Evam. These are all belongs to Pullinga. Here we have to use Saha Syutaha, Eshaha Pinchaha, Ayam Dandaha, Bhavan Krishakaha, Bhavan Chikitsakaha, Eshaha Chikitsakaha, Saha Devaha. Like that we have to apply. In Strilinga also, Vaidya, Shikshika, Balika, a becomes Strilinga. So here we are using Sa Vaidya, Esha Chikitsaka, Esha Shikshika, Iyam Chhatra, Esha Sthalika, Iyam Duravani, Iyam Lekhani, Esha Droni, Sa Nartaki. See, Nartakaha comes in between. So we have to apply Saha Nartakaha, Yajanam, Phalam, Griham, Pustakam, Tat Pustakam, Etat Phalam, Idam Pushpam. Devi, Etat Devi Bhavati va?
Na Mahodaya.
Esha Devi, Iyam
Esha
Devi, Sa Devi. Like that we have to apply for all these things. By seeing picture itself, we can understand what is that. So what is Samskrita word? It is mentioned there. For that, we have to apply Saha Eshaha or Sa Esha Iyam Tat Etat Idam. Astu Agre. One more file you have already seen. It is there in the drive and also sent in the group. I don't know how many of you noticed it. Here Kriya Padani, verbs, Kriya Padam, Kriya Padani. Hasati. Now we have to apply. What will apply here?
Balakaha hasati.
Balakaha hasati. Roditi.
Shishuhu roditi.
Shishuhu roditi. Or he is Pullinga. So you can add Saha roditi, Eshaha roditi, Ayam roditi, Bhavan roditi, Balakaha roditi, Dhananjayaha doditi. Pashyati.
Pashyati.
Pasyati.
Balika pashyati.
So here we are observing female. So we have to add female words only. Sa pashyati, Esha pashyati, Iyam pashyati, भवती पश्यति, बालिका पश्यति, रेणुका पश्यति,
Mahodaya,
शशिकला पश्यति.
one doubt, Mahodaya, here. What is Pashyanti?
पश्यति एकवचनं, पश्यन्ति बहुवचनं.
I have two
Singular.
more doubts, Mahodaya. Shall I ask now? In
Ah.
this Kriya Padam itself,
Ah.
Tishtati, Upavishati,
तिष्ठति
Uttishtati.
तिष्ठति standing, तिष्ठति
Standing,
standing,
Upavishati,
उपविशति sitting,
Upavishati, sitting. And Uttishtati, standing is given there.
getting up.
Getting up. Slightly
Getting up
ahead.
or getting up or standing also. Uttishtati. He got up. Standing up. Stood.
Guridate, Mahodaya. Guridate.
Him?
Guridate.
Guridate va.
Jumping.
Kurdate. Leaping. Kurdate. Jumping or leaping.
Gurdate.
Vanaraha kurdate.
Yachati. Yachati
Yachati.
is giving.
Giving. Dadati.
And Urukam is given.
Urukam.
What's the
Trouser.
meaning of Chumbati?
Chumbati. Kissing.
Urukam.
Urukam. Dress.
Mahodaya, Pinjaha, both are correct.
Pinchaha. Both are same.
Same. Okay. So you can write either cha or ja.
Urukam. What is it?
Urukam. Trouser.
Mahodaya, you have given dictionary, Mahodaya, for every meaning.
I given, so how many of they are utilized? I don't know.
No, I am referring meticulously. I am referring, Mahodaya. Dictionary.
Dhanyawada. Huh?
It is very useful, Mahodaya.
Now we are going ahead now. Please be muted. Just you have to listen carefully. I told there is Sarvanamapadam, Namapadam, noun, pronoun, Kriyapadam, verb, Prashnavachakam, or Prashnapadam, question word. Again there is Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Singular, dual, plural. In all cases, it will come. Saha. Saha. Kaha. Can you see the screen properly? This is very important today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am moving here and there. Don't be just confused. Just you have to analyze. There are four columns are there. First column, I am using Sarvanamapadam, pronoun. And the second, this one column, that is Namapadam, noun. And today we are going using verb, Kriyapadam and Prashnapadam. So I'll be running from here and there. Just you have to observe where I am going. Saha kaha. Saha balakaha. Tau kau. Tau balakau. Te ke. Te balakaha. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha balakaha. Etau kau. Etau balakau. Ete ke. Ete balakaha. Ayam kaha. Ayam balakaha. Imau ke. Imau kau. Imau balakau. Ime. Ime ke. Ime balakaha. Bhavan kaha. Bhavan balakaha. Bhavantau kau. Bhavantau balakau. Bhavantaha ke. Bhavantaha balakaha. Saha तौ ते एषः एतौ एते अयम् इमौ इमे भवान् भवन्तौ भवन्तः कः कौ के बालकः बालकौ बालकाः रामः रामौ रामाः जनकः जनकौ जनकाः धीरः धीरौ धीराः अश्वः अश्वौ अश्वाः स्पष्टं वा
महोदय स्पष्टम्
wherever we say balakau ramau janakau agrajau chatrau it means there are two balakaha janakaha putraha chatraha margaha vrikshaha aha it means there are many
more than 2
more than 3 or above astu बालकः बालकौ बालकाः जनकः जनकौ जनकाः छात्रः छात्रौ छात्राः वृक्षः वृक्षौ वृक्षाः स्पष्टं वा सा सा का सा महिला ते के ते महिले ताः काः ताः महिलाः एषा का एषा महिला एते के एते महिले एताः काः एताः महिलाः इयं का इयं महिला इमे के इमे महिले इमाः काः इमाः महिलाः भवती का actually it will be getting answered aham. Now we are just for abhyasam purpose we are saying bhavati itself in the answer. Bhavati mahila bhavatyau mahile bhavatyah mahilaah. Now we have to study sa te taah esha ete etaah इयं इमे इमाः भवती भवत्यौ भवत्यः का के काः महिला महिले महिलाः सीता सीते सीताः माला माले मालाः पद्मजा पद्मजे पद्मजाः बालिका बालिके बालिकाः स्थालिका स्थालिके स्थालिकाः कुञ्चिका कुञ्चिके कुञ्चिकाः शाटिका शाटिके शाटिकाः वाटिका वाटिके वाटिकाः कपाटिका कपाटिके कपाटिकाः स्पष्टं वा? Any doubt? Not again. सा नदी सा का सा द्रोणी सा का सा पार्वती सा का सा भगिनी सा नदी ते नद्यौ ते के ते नद्यौ ताः काः ताः नद्यः नदी नद्यौ नद्यः नदी नद्यौ नद्यः वाणी वाण्यौ वाण्यः द्रोणी द्रोण्यौ द्रोण्यः भगिनी भगिन्यौ भगिन्यः कूपी कूप्यौ कूप्यः घटी घट्यौ घट्यः भवती भवत्यौ भवत्यः पार्वती पार्वत्यौ पार्वत्यः स्पष्टं वा?
Spashtam.
Yes.
Now coming to napumsakalinga. Tat tat kim tat vyajanam. Te ke te vyajane. Tani kani tani vyajanani. Vyajanam vyajane vyajanani. एतत् किम्? एतत् यानं वाहनम्. एते के? एते याने. एतानि कानि? एतानि यानानि. इदं किम्? इदं वनम्. इदं चित्रम्. इदं पुस्तकम्. इमे के? इमे वने. इमे चित्रे. इमे पुस्तके. इमे व्यजने. इमे याने. इमानि कानि? इमानि वनानि. इमानि व्यजनानि. इमानि यानानि. इमानि वस्तु आभरणानि. आभरणम् आभरणे आभरणानि. इमानि वस्त्राणि. वनं वने वनानि. यानं याने यानानि. व्यजनं व्यजने व्यजनानि. नक्षत्रं नक्षत्रे नक्षत्राणि. नगरं नगरे नगराणि. पर्णं पर्णे पर्णानि. पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि. पात्रं पात्रे पात्राणि. वस्त्रं वस्त्रे वस्त्राणि. युतकं युतके युतकानि. वातायनं वातायने वातायनानि. स्पष्टं वा?
Spashtam, Mahoday.
Spashtam.
Now very important one point. See what we have so far studied. Saha, eshaha, ayam, bhavan. Sa, esha, iyam, bhavati. Tat, etat, idam. बालकः रामः गोपालः सुरेशः अश्वः वृक्षः मार्गः महिला सीता पद्मजा नदी कपाटिका वाटिका दर्वी द्रोणी. अनन्तरं तत् एतत् इदं यानं नगरं भवनं नक्षत्रं. All these called prathama purushaha. Prathama purushaha. First person. First person. Don't apply to Tamil or Hindi or English or any other language. Sanskritam is Sanskritam. It is called prathama purushaha. First person. In Hindi or in English or in Kannada or Tamil, Telugu, anything. First person may be I am. Here entirely different. First person becomes in other languages third person. First person of Sanskritam becomes third person of other languages. First person in Sanskritam. First person means Saha, eshaha, ayam, bhavan, iyam, sa, esha, tat, etat, idam, balakaha, pushpam, nagaram, mahila, etc. etc. It becomes prathama purushaha, first person. Spashtam va? Prathama purushaha. Spashtam va?
Spashtam.
It is called prathama purushaha. Prathama purushaha, first person in other languages. Now, see, it is coming madhyama purushaha. Madhyama purushaha. Madhyama. Madhyama purushaha. It is called in other languages second person. In other languages, second person. In Sanskritam, madhyama purushaha. What is that? Tvam, tvam, you are. Tvam balakaha, tvam kaha, tvam balakaha. Here also the question's answer will be aham. For time being, we are taking tvam itself. Otherwise, the answer will be aham. Tvam, tvam balakaha. Tvam balakaha. Yuvam balakau. Yuvam balakau. Yuyam balakaha. Tvam kaha. Tvam balakaha. Yuvam kau. Yuvam balakau. Yuyam ke. Yuyam balakaha. Balakaha, balakau, balakaha. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. It is trilingakaha. Trilingakaha. So far we have seen pullingaha, strilingaha, napumsakalingaha. This tvam will be used for pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalingaha. That is called trilingakaha. In three lingas. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. In pullingaha, tvam balakaha. In strilingaha, tvam mahila. Tvam mahila. Yuvam mahile. Yuyam mahilaha. Question will be automatically goes to strilinga. Tvam ka. Tvam mahila. Yuvam ke. Yuvam mahile. Yuyam kaha. Yuyam mahilaha. If it is pullinga, kaha kau ke. If it is strilinga, ka ke kaha. If it is pullingaha, balakaha. Tvam balakaha. Tvam janakaha. Tvam anujaha. Tvam agrajaha. Tvam adhyapakaha. Tvam. If it is female, tvam mata. Tvam amba. Tvam janani. Tvam mahila. Tvam. See, tvam belongs to pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga also. Tvam mitram. Mitraha iti nasti. Mitraha ityukte suryaha. Mitraha suryaha. To tell friend, mitram. Mitram. Mitram iti napumsakalinga word. Tvam mitram. Yuvam mitre. Yuyam mitrani. That is why trilingakaha. Tvam. Tvam means you are. Now the confusion is coming. For so far we have been telling Bhavan, you are. Bhavati, you are. Why it is then tvam? Tvam means you are. For Bhavan, that is a separate respect is there. In other languages, I don't know. In Kannada, they say tavu. Tavu. Tavu purusharu. Purusharu. Tavu purusha. It is singular only, but with respect. Bhavan. That is a speciality in Sanskritam. Bhavan, tavu. In तमिल भाषायाम् अपि अस्ति तांगल. In Hindi भाषायां ते वदन्ति आप. आप. So here tvam means not that much respect. Tvam, you are. Ni, in तुमने हिंदी भाषायां वदामः चेत् तुम, तमिल भाषायां वदामः चेत् नी पय्यन्. कन्नड भाषायाम् अपि अस्ति नी हुडुग, नीनु. तावु नीनु, तांगल नी, आप तुम. अस्तु. त्वं युवां यूयम्. It is called Madhyama Purusha. In Madhyama Purusha, only one. Tvam. In Madhyama Purusha, only one will appear. Tvam. Now, Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha. Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Aham. Aham. In other languages, maybe it is a third person. Aham. Here it becomes Uttama Purusha. Astu ma? Aham. I am. Aham Balakaha. Aham Ramakrishnaha. Aham Mahila. If it is a female, she will say Aham Mahila. Aham Balika. If it is a Purusha or Pullingaha, Aham Balakaha, aham adhyapakaha, aham lekapalaha, aham abhiyanta, aham sadashivaha, aham ganeshaha, aham dineshaha.
Sir, aham kaha you can only use for practice, right, sir?
Okay. Aham balakaha. Avam balakau. Again it is a trilingakaha. For pullingaha, strilingaha, napumsakalingaha. For question, bhavan kaha atava tvam kaha, answer will be aham. Bhavati ka, aham mahila, aham nari, aham parvati, aham balakaha, avam balakau, vayam balakaha. The question will, where it go? Question will go bhavan kaha ka. Answer will be aham. Tvam kaha, tvam ka. Answer will be aham. Spashtam va? Tvam yuvam yuyam. Aham avam vayam. Aham balakaha. Avam balakau. Vayam balakaha. Tvam balakaha, yuvam balakau, yuyam balakaha.
Screen on.
Tvam mahila, yuvam mahile, yuyam mahilaha. Aham mahila, avam mahile, vayam mahilaha. Spashtam va?
Mahodaya, I am not clear with the Madhyama Purusha, Tvam, Yuvam and Yuyam. Please
Sir,
explain. Keep
is
again.
it correct? Bhavatyau ke avam mahile. Correct, no, sir?
Am. Bhavan kaha, aham balakaha. Bhavantau kau, avam balakau. Bhavantaha ke, vayam balakaha. Tvam kaha, aham
Sir?
balakaha. Wait. Yuvam kau, avam balakau. Yuyam ke, vayam balakaha.
Sir, so Tvam, Yuvam and Yuyam is used for someone who is generally lesser than you.
Guruhu Shishyaha, Devaha
Yes, sir.
Bhaktaha, or Atmiyaha. There is so much closeness is there. Then only we are using Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Unless otherwise that much closeness, friendliness, attachment is there. We can't use. We should not use Tvam in Sanskritam. We should always use Bhavan bhavati.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any doubt here?
Sir, sir, you've given it as trilinga. So for Napumsakalinga, how to use this aham, avam, vayam, sir?
Aham mitram, avam mitre, vayam mitrani. Aham kalatram, avam kalatre, vayam kalatrani. Very rarely comes. Wherever it is Napumsakalinga. See, kalatram is Napumsakalinga. Kalatram means wife. Mitram, mitram means friend. It is Napumsakalinga. So, aham mitram, avam mitre, vayam mitrani. Spashtam va?
Got it, sir. Astu, astu, Mahoday.
महोदय एकवारं प्रथमपुरुषः
प्रथमपुरुषः इत्युक्ते फस्ट् पर्सन्. फस्ट् पर्सन् इत्युक्ते के फस्ट् पर्सन्? सः, एषः,
एषः,
अयं, भवान्, बालकः, रामः, भीमः, सोमः, कर्णः, दुर्योधनः, अर्जुनः, अश्वः, मार्गः, वृक्षः. Whatever is not Madhyama Purusha, whatever is not Uttama Purusha, all belongs to Prathama Purusha. Now it is very clear.
Okay, okay. धन्यवाद.
In Madhyama Purusha, only one word will come. Tvam. Tvam yuvam yuyam. In Uttama Purusha, only one word will be coming. Aham.
Aham.
Aham avam vayam. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam.
Avam vayam. Aham avam vayam.
Tvam avam. You leave it these two. All other belongs to first person only. Aham, tvam, vihaya. Vihaya, excluding. Leaving. Leaving aham and tvam, all other things belongs to Madhyama, Uttama, Prathama Purusha. Spashtam va?
So,
Madhyama Purusha ityukte tvam. Uttama Purusha ityukte imau.
Imau, ime and all Prathama Purusha only.
Imau, ime is a matter of ayam, kila?
Yeah.
ime Madhyama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha, kila?
Prathama Purusha only.
Madhyama Purusha, tvam yuvam yuyam. Uttama Purusha, aham avam vayam. Very simple. Tvam, Madhyama Purusha. Aham, Uttama Purusha. Excluding these two words, all words belong to Prathama Purusha. Astu va?
Astu, Mahodaya.
Sir,
Sir,
what
just
is
Kalatram?
Kaha?
Sir, what is Kalatram you said?
Kalatram, Patni. Patni means what?
Sir, how to write that?
Wife.
Kalatram, we have already in the file itself. That's so many times I have told also. Kalatram, Kalatram. It is there in the file also. I think you have not written.
Sir, just
Kalatram
check
is
if
equal to Patni. Patni. Mitram. Mitram, friend. Snehitaha. Astu va? Agre gachamah va? Agre gachamah va?
Sir, just check if I'm correct, sir. Sir, just check if I'm correct. Aham balakaha, avam balakau, vayam balakaha.
Uttamam, samichinam. Now we are adding Kriyapadam. Kriyapadam. What is Kriyapadam?
Verbs.
Now we are starting forming sentences. The very important thing now starts. Vadatu. वदतु।
is Napumsakalingam.
Which one?
Sarvamachittam for Kalatram what?
Kalatram napumsakalinga padam. Kalatram is equal to patni. Tuva. Agre gaccham hava.
Mahodaya.
1 second.
कहाँ संशयः अस्ति?
अहम् आन्
अहम् आवां वयम्
आवां नांगल वयम् अगेन नांगला
நான் நாவீர்வரே நாவெல்லாவரும்
ஓகே ஓகே
நானு
அதே மாதிரி
நாவிಬ್ಬರು நாவெல்லவரு
ஓகே the same only துவம் யுவாம் யூயம்
ஆம்
நீங்கள் இருவர் நீங்கள் எல்லோரும்
நீங்க ரெண்டு பேரு நீங்க எல்லாரும்
ஓகே
thanks for that. Now please listen to me. Saha balakah saha patati. कहा पठति? सः पठति। सः पठति। तौ पाठतः। तौ पाठतः। कौ पठतः। तौ पठतः। सः पठति। तौ पाठतः। ते पठन्ति। ते पठन्ति। के पठन्ति? ते पठन्ति। कः पठति? सः पठति। कौ पठतः? तौ पठतः। के पठन्ति? ते पठन्ति। सः पठति। तौ पठतः। ते पठन्ति। बालकः पठति। बालकौ पठतः। बालकाः पठन्ति। कः पठति? एषः पठति। कौ पठतः? एतौ पठतः। के पठन्ति? एते पठन्ति। एषः पठति। एतौ पठतः। एते पठन्ति। कः पठति? अयं पठति। कौ पठतः? इमौ पठतः। के पठन्ति? इमे पठन्ति। कः पठति? भवान् पठति। कौ पठतः? भवन्तौ पठतः। के पठन्ति? भवन्तः पठन्ति। सः पठति। तौ पठतः। ते पठन्ति। एषः पठति। एतौ पठतः। एते पठन्ति। अयं पठति। इमौ पठतः। इमे पठन्ति। भवान् पठति। भवन्तौ पठतः। भवन्तः पठन्ति। बालकः पठति। बालकौ पठतः। बालकाः पठन्ति। बालकः पठति। बालकौ पठतः। बालकाः पठन्ति। कः पठति? बालकः पठति। कौ पठतः? बालकौ पठतः। के पठन्ति? बालकाः पठन्ति। रामः पठति। रामौ पठतः। रामाः पठन्ति। जनकः पठति। जनकौ पठतः। जनकाः पठन्ति। कः पठति? धीरः पठति। धीरः ब्रेव BRAVE। धीरः पठति। धीरौ पठतः, धीराः पठन्ति, पठति पठतः पठन्ति, पठति पठतः पठन्ति। अश्वः पठति, इज इट ओके?
No, sir.
No, Mahodaya.
अश्वः गच्छति, अश्वः गच्छति, अश्वः गच्छति, अश्वौ गच्छतः, अश्वाः गच्छन्ति, अश्वः धावति, अश्वौ धावतः, अश्वाः धावन्ति। Wait a minute, just to keep in silence. Again, I will read it once. Pathati pathatah pathanti, gacchati gachatah gachanti, hasati hasatah hasanti, tisthati tishtatah tishtanti, dhavati dhavatah dhavanti, बालकः अस्ति, बालकः अस्ति, सन्तोषः अस्ति, कार्यक्रमः अस्ति, उपनयनम् अस्ति, बालकः अस्ति, रामः अस्ति, जनकः अस्ति, धीरः अस्ति, अश्वः अस्ति, वृक्षः अस्ति. It is there. He is there. It is there. बालकः अस्ति, बालकौ स्तः, रामौ स्तः, जनकौ स्तः, धीरौ स्तः, अश्वौ स्तः, वृक्षौ स्तः. बालकाः पठन्ति, बालकाः सन्ति, रामाः सन्ति, जनकाः सन्ति, के सन्ति, धीराः सन्ति, के सन्ति, अश्वाः सन्ति, वृक्षाः सन्ति, अध्यापकाः सन्ति, छात्राः सन्ति, विद्यालयाः सन्ति, कार्यालयाः सन्ति, कार्यक्रमाः सन्ति. पश्यतु, तीतहन्ति, 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 पठति पठतः पठन्ति, गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति, हसति हसतः हसन्ति, अस्ति स्तः सन्ति, अस्ति स्तः सन्ति. सन्तोषः भवति, बालकः भवति, एकः कार्यक्रमः भवति, तत्र बालकः भवति. He is there. बालकः is there. बालकः भवति, बालकौ भवतः, बालकः भवति, कौ भवतः, बालकौ भवतः, बालकाः भवन्ति, बालकः भवति, बालकौ भवतः, बालकाः भवन्ति. कः भवति? रामः भवति. कौ भवतः? रामौ भवतः. के भवन्ति? रामाः भवन्ति. भवति भवतः भवन्ति, भवति भवतः भवन्ति, भवति भवतः भवन्ति, भवति भवतः भवन्ति. अस्ति अस्ति स्तः सन्ति, अस्ति स्तः सन्ति. स्पष्टं वा?
Spashtamah.
Spashtam Mahodaya.
Spashtam Mahodaya.
Sir, what is the difference between asti and bhavati? Why both meaning the same now, sir?
Dukkham bhavati, kashtam bhavati. Happening.
Happening. Just now we said balakaha asti, that is understood. Shall we say balakaha bhavati?
He will be there. He is there. He will
Same
be there.
meaning.
Balaka will be same meaning.
Thank you.
Astu. Ravi Babu Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Now I want to say, just I'll say one thing. You have to tell two things. Pathati, pathataha, pathanti. Your turn, khadati.
Khadati, khadatah, khadanti.
Pashyati.
Pashyati, pashyatah, pashyanti.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Mahodaya. Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
S.R. Subramaniam. S.R. Subramaniam.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Your word is Gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti. Nayati.
Nayati, nayataha, nayanti.
Agacchati.
Agacchati, agacchataha, agachanti.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Maithilya. 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 Nasti. Rishita Bhagini. Rishita Bhagini.
Yes, sir.
I say Tishtati, tishtataha, tishtanti. What will you say? Likhati.
Likhati, likhatah, likhanti.
Gayati.
Gayati, gayatah, gayanti.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha.
Others please mute. Others please don't speak.
Dhanyawad.
Ravi Kumar Mahodaya.
Ji.
I say Dhavati, Dhavataha, Dhavanti. You have to say Tadayati.
Tadayati, Tadayataha, Tadayanti.
Ichchati.
Ichchati, Ichchataha, Icchanti.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Tadayati means hitting.
Yeah, hitting.
Ichchati. Ichchati means liking. Saha mistannam ichchati. Astu. Just wait, hold on. I'll go one step more now. Same thing, nothing changes. Sa. Pashyatu. Saha patati. Tau patataha. Te pathanti. Balakaha patati. Balakau patataha. Balakaha pathanti. Sa. Sa means it goes Strilinga. Only Sa only becomes. It also Prathama Purusha only. Sa pathati. Te pathataha. Taha pathanti. Balika pathati. Balike patataha. Balikaha pathanti. Esha pathati. Ete patataha. Etaha pathanti. Iyam pathati. Ime pathataha. Imaha pathanti. Mahila vadati. Mahile vadataha. Mahilaha vadanti. Esha vadati. Ete vadataha. Etaha vadanti. Sita pathati. Site pathataha. Sitaha pathanti. Sita vadati. Site vadataha. Sitaha vadanti. Ka vadati. माला वदति के वदतः माले वदतः काः वदन्ति मालाः वदन्ति गायति का गायति पद्मजा गायति पद्मजे गायतः पद्मजाः गायन्ति बालिका गायति बालिके गायतः बालिकाः गायन्ति वदति वदतः वदन्ति गायति गायतः गायन्ति। वैभव
Yes sir.
यच्छति
यच्छति सा यच्छति ते यच्छतः ताः यच्छन्ति
अटति
मेधा अटति मेधे अटन्ते नो मेधे अटतः मेधाः अटन्ति।
उत्तमं धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः सर।
सा नदी नदी प्रवहति फ्लोइंग नदी प्रवहति नद्यौ नदी नद्यौ नद्यः भवति भवत्यौ भवत्यः भगिनी भगिन्यौ भगिन्यः द्रोणी द्रोण्यौ द्रोण्यः कूपी कूप्यौ कूप्यः नदी प्रवहति नद्यौ प्रवहतः नद्यः प्रवहन्ति नदी प्रवहति नद्यौ प्रवहतः नद्यः प्रवहन्ति नदी नद्यौ नद्यः द्रोणी अस्ति द्रोण्यौ स्तः द्रोण्यः सन्ति अस्ति स्तः सन्ति वाणी अस्ति वाण्यौ स्तः वाण्यः सन्ति अस्ति स्तः सन्ति का अस्ति कूपी अस्ति के स्तः कूप्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति कूप्यः सन्ति भवति शिरोवेदना भवति व्याधिः भवति भवति भवतः भवन्ति महिला भवति कार्यक्रमः भवति श्वः कार्यक्रमः भवति कार्यक्रमे तत्र महिला भवति महिले भवतः महिलाः भवन्ति कार्यक्रमे महिलाः भवन्ति अस्तु वदति वदतः वदन्ति गायति गायतः गायन्ति नृत्यति नृत्यतः नृत्यन्ति पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति प्रवहति प्रवहतः प्रवहन्ति अध्यापिका कथयति अध्यापिके कथयतः अध्यापिकाः कथयन्ति कथयति कथयतः कथयन्ति। Now Raju, yes Mahodaya. Raju, yes Mahodaya. Subhashini Bhagini. Subhashini
Bhagini.
Now I say pravahatihi क्षम्यतां पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति कथयति कथयतः कथयन्ति। You say namati.
Namati namayatah namayanti.
गायति गायतः गायन्ति
गायति नमयतः नमयन्ति
Why you are taking ya?
नमति नमतः नमन्ति
That is good enough. Namati namataha namanti. Now we are telling vadayati.
वादयति वादयतः वादयन्ति
Perfect. Pachati.
पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति
Pachati pachataha pachanti.
पचन्ति
Astu. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, sir.
So what is the meaning of the vadayati?
Kadri Gopalnath asti. Janati va? Kadri Gopalnath.
Saxophone player.
Saha saxophone vadayati.
Oh, playing.
Vadyam vadayati. Vadyam mridangam vadayati. Astu va? Now. Tat kim? Tat yanam. Tat kim? Tat yanam. Yanam gacchati. Tat gacchati. Tat gacchati. Te gacchataha. Tani gacchanti. Tat gacchati. Te gacchataha. Tani gacchanti. Ye tat gacchati. Ke gacchataha. Ye te gacchataha. Kani gacchanti. Etani gacchanti. Kim gacchati. Idam gacchati. Ke gacchataha. Ime gacchataha. Kani gacchanti. Imani gacchanti. Yanam gacchati. Yane gacchataha. Yanani gacchanti. Yanam gacchati. Yane gacchataha. Yanani gacchanti. Vyajanam. Vyajanam vyajane vyajanani. Vyajanam chalati. Vyajane chalataha. Vyajanani chalanti. Vanam asti. Vane staha. Vanani santi. Nakshatram bhavati. Nakshatre bhavataha. Nakshatrani bhavanti. Bharatadeshe nagaram asti. Nagare staha. Nagarani santi. Vrikshe parnam asti. Parne staha. Parnani santi. Vayam nagaram gacchamaha. Nagare mandiram bhavati. Mandire bhavataha. Mandirani bhavanti. Patati patataha pathanti. Likhati likataha likhanti. Gacchati gacchataha gacchanti. Chalati chalataha chalanti. Asti staha santi. Bhavati bhavataha bhavanti. Maitiliya.
Yeah, listen.
Sangeeta or Bhagini? Gacchati gacchataha gacchanti. Pushpam patati.
पुष्पं पतति पुष्पे पततः पुष्पाणि पतन्ति
Pushpam vikasati.
पुष्पं विकसति पुष्पे विकसतौ विकसतः
पुष्पे विकसतः
पुष्पाणि विसन्ति
विकसन्ति
विकसन्ति
विकसन्ति अस्तु
विकसन्ति
अस्तु धन्यवादः
Thank you.
रमेश उमाशंकर रमेश उमाशंकर
अस्तु महोदय
स्फुरति स्फुरति मीन्स ब्लिंकिंग स्फुरति ब्लिंकिंग नक्षत्रम स्टार्ट
नक्षत्रं स्फुरति नक्षत्रे स्फुरतः नक्षत्राणि स्फुरन्ति
उत्तमं फलं पतति
फलं सॉरी सर
पतति falling down
फलं पतति फले पततः फलानि पतन्ति
फलं पतति फले पततः फलानि
पतन्ति
स्पष्टं वा
ओके
धन्यवादाः सी so far मध्यमपुरुषः क्षम्यतां प्रथमपुरुषः so far we have studied प्रथमपुरुषः the verb form will be पठति पठतः पठन्ति गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति लिखति लिखतः लिखन्ति तिष्ठति तिष्ठतः तिष्ठन्ति for प्रथमपुरुषः गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति चलति चलतः चलन्ति अस्ति स्तः सन्ति भवति भवतः भवन्ति प्रथमपुरुषः त्वं बालकः पठसि त्वं पठसि युवां पठतः यूयं पठत
यूयं पठन्ति
Now the verb form will be going to change. So far ti tahanti. Now for Madhyama Purusha tvam pathasi yuvam pathatah yuyam pathata patasi pathatah pathatha pathasi pathatah pathata tvam vasasi vasati means vasam karoti, stays, lives. Tvam vasasi yuvam vasatah yuyam vasatha tvam likhasi yuvam likhatah yuyam likhatha tvam gacchasi yuvam gachatah yuyam gachatha tvam vadasi yuvam vadatah yuyam vadatha tvam pashyasi yuvam pashyatah yuyam pashyatha tvam asi patasi asi yuvam pathatah taha sthaha yuyam pathatha yuyam stha asi sthaha stha tvam bhavasi yuvam bhavatah yuyam bhavatha Srikala Rangarajan Bhagini.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Namasi.
Tvam namasi.
Tvam
yuvam namatah. Yuyam namatha.
Uttamam. Tvam gacchasi.
Tvam gacchasi. Yuyam gachatah.
Yuvam
Yuvam gachatah. Yuyam गच्छथ।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः। Now,
धन्यवादः।
वदतु भगिनि।
Nice. Good.
Now, your turn next. Be ready. Be ready. Next point is coming to you.
I sir.
Wait. Others keep muted. I'm going one step further now. Uttama Purushaha. I want to be muted.
Lot of disturbances, Mahodaya, Shamyatam.
Aham Ramakrishnaha. Aham Balakaha. Aham Yuvakaha. Aham Jeshtaha. Aham Vaidyaha. Aham Nivrittaha. Aham Vriddhaha. Aham Khadami. Aham Patami. Aham Likhami. Aham Vadami. Aham Patami. Avam Patavaha. Avam Patavaha. Vayam Patamaha. Aham Patami. Avam Patavaha. Vayam Patamaha. Aham Gacchami. Avam Agacchavaha. Avam Gacchavaha. Vayam Gacchamaha. Aham Likhami. Avam Likhavaha. Vayam Likhamaha. Aham Vadami. Avam Vadavaha. Vayam Vadamaha. Aham Gacchami. Avam Gacchavaha. Vayam Gacchamaha. Aham Patami. Avam Patavaha. Vayam Patamaha. Maithilya. Why noise? Without noise, I want to answer. Aham namami.
Aham namami. Avam namat.
Vaha.
Navaha.
Namavaha.
Namavaha.
Vayam
namaha.
Namamaha. Khadami.
Aham khadami. Avam khadavaha.
Vayam
khadamaha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Sumati Sridhar Bhagini.
Namaste.
Just listen to me one second. Aham asmi. Aham Ramakrishnaha asmi. Aham Shankaraha asmi. Aham Lalita asmi. Aham Shashikala asmi. Aham Gauri asmi. If he says female, she can say Aham Mahila asmi. Aham Adhyapika asmi. If he is a female, if he is a male, he will say Aham Purushaha asmi. Aham Vaidyaha asmi. Aham asmi. Avam swaha. Aham balakaha asmi. Aham balakaha asmi. Avam balakau swaha. Vayam balakaha smaha. Aham mahila asmi. Aham mahile swaha. Vayam mahilaha smaha. Aham bhavami. Avam bhavavaha. Vayam bhavamaha. Aham santushtaha bhavami. Avam santushtau bhavavaha. वयं सन्तुष्टाः भवामः। अस्मि स्वः स्मः। भवामि भवावः भवामः। पद्मिनी भगिनी
सुमति
एकनिमिषं सुमति शीतल भगिनी अहं पृच्छामि
अहं पृच्छामि आवां पृच्छावः वयं पृच्छामः।
उत्तमम्। अहं धावामि
आवां धावावः वयं धावामः।
उत्तमं। पद्मिनी भगिनी
धन्यवादः।
अहं वदामि
कदामः
अहं वदामि
आवां कदावः
वदामि क्रियापदं वदामि
अहं वदामि आवाहं वदावः वयं वदामः।
अस्तु धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
पश्यतु इदानीम् एक टेम्प्लेट् वयं प्राप्तवन्तः। प्रथमपुरुषः, मध्यमपुरुषः, उत्तमपुरुषः. So we have to by heart it. No other options, no other choice. Only thing we have to by heart. This we already knowing. Just one thing we have added, two things we have added here. What is that? Tvam yuvam yuyam. Aham avam vayam. Very easy. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Aham avam vayam. Aham avam vayam. Only two things we have added here. Other things we knowing already. Balakaha balakau balakaha. Balika balike balikaha. Vanam vane vanani.
Sir, what is written in that violet letters, sir?
Don't take it today.
Okay, sir.
We will be going through later. Then Kriyapadam we studied today. The format of Kriyapadam. Their template should be studied separately. Gacchati atava pathati. Pathati, patataha, pathanti. That is called Prathama Purushaha. Gacchasi, gacchataha, gacchata. Pathasi, patataha, patata. That is called Madhyama Purusha. Gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. It is called Uttama Purushaha. See, this file will be shared in Excel format. No other format is possible because if I convert into PDF, the letter will become very smaller. We can't read it. So don't say I can't open it. I am not able to see it. You have to install MS Office, Word and Excel. Then you have to open in the Excel file only. In here also, if you see in the bottom, there are so many sheets are there. You have to go through one by one. All materials kept in this one file itself. That's one. Very useful will be there for comparative study. Now, see, gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti. Gacchasi, gacchataha, gacchata. Gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. Very simple thing. Only you have to read 5 times, then start memorizing. How? You have to apply few more words. Vadati. Patati patataha patanti. Patasi patataha patata. Pathami pathavaha pathamaha. Now we have to apply vadati. Who will be applying it? I'll be calling one by one only. Don't pressurize on me. Sunda Sriram Bhagini.
Ha, Mahodaya.
You have to tell vadati.
वदति वदतः वदन्ति वदसि वदतः वदत वदामि वदामि वदावः वदामः.
See, you should be very careful in pronouncing also. Otherwise, you will be making always mistake. Gacchati, gacchataha. See, here is a alpa prana. Gacchataha, gacchanti, gacchasi, gacchataha, gacchata, gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. You have to be very careful. Where is alpa prana? Where is maha prana? Where is visarga? Where is no visarga? Astu va? Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadam.
Soumya Srinivasan Bhagini. Over. Dr. Ranjani Bhagini.
Mahodaya.
Vadatu Bhagini. Pibati.
Pibati, pibataha, pibanti. Pibati, pibataha, pibata. Pibami, pibavaha, pibamaha.
First, we have to learn like this template. Then what is the next step? Next, our responsibility to make the sentence. Saha gacchati, tau gacchataha, te gacchanti, balakaha gacchati, balakau gacchataha, balakaha gacchanti, yanam gacchati, yane gacchataha, yanani gacchanti, tvam gacchasi, yuvam gacchataha, yuyam gacchata, aham gacchami, avam gacchavaha, vayam gacchavaha. Very simple thing. Here it will come Madhyama Purusha tvam. Here it will come aham. Here only you can apply any of your friends, relatives, enemies, name or relationship. Astu va? Now I call Manisha Bhagini.
Mahoday.
Likhati.
Likhati. Likhati, likhatah, likhanti, likhasi, likhatah, likhatha, likhami, likhavah, likhamah.
Uttam, dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Nalini Agarwal Bhagini, then Prema Bhagini.
Astu Mahoday.
Nayati.
Nayati, nayatah, nayanti. Nayasi, nayathah, nayatha. Nayami, nayavah, nayamah.
Uttamam. You have to by heart it. Prema Bhagini.
Mahoday.
Pashyati.
Pashyati, pashyatah, pashyanti. Pashyasi, pashyatah, pashyatha. Pashyami, pashyavaha, pashyamaha.
Uttamam, dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Prema Bhagini over. Prema Bhagini.
Mahoday.
Over. Vanaja Bhagini.
Mahodaya.
Agachatu. Bhavati.
Kummadam.
Bhavati.
Nashunami.
Bhavati.
Bhavati. Bhavati. Bhavatah. Bhavanti. Bhavasi. Bhavatah. Bhavatah. Bhavami. Bhavavaha. Bhavamaha.
Uttamam.
Sir,
Dhanyavadaha.
there's so much background.
Dhanyavadaha.
Sir.
Priya Hemant Bhagini.
Sir.
Bhavati vadati. Khadati.
Khadati, khadatah, khadanti. खादसि खादथः खादथ खादामि खादावः खादामः।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः। जयन्ती भगिनी। पृच्छति पृच्छति
पृच्छति पृच्छतः पृच्छन्ति पृच्छसि पृच्छदः पृच्छय पृच्छामि
नास्ति पृच्छति पृच्छति आस्किंग
पृच्छामि पृच्छवः
पृच्छावः 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 पृच्छामः. We should pronounce it properly without making alteration there. पृच्छति पृच्छतः पृच्छन्ति पृच्छसि पृच्छतः पृच्छथ पृच्छामि पृच्छावः पृच्छामः
पृच्छामः.
धन्यवादाः. पद्मा लक्ष्मणन् भगिनी.
आं महोदय.
उत्तिष्ठति
तिष्ठति उत्तिष्ठति उत्तिष्ठतः उत्तिष्ठन्ति उत्तिष्ठसि उत्तिष्ठतः उत्तिष्ठत उत्तिष्ठामि उत्तिष्ठवः उत्तिष्ठमः
उत्तिष्ठावः उत्तिष्ठामः
उत्तिष्ठावः उत्तिष्ठामः
उत्तिष्ठामः विसर्गसहितं विसर्गखादनं मास्तु.
उत्तिष्ठामः.
If you want to eat anything, you have to see something else. Srinivasan ji.
आं महोदय.
आगच्छतु. उपविशति
उपविशति उपविशतः उपविशन्ति उपविशसि उपविशतः उपविशथ उपविशामि उपविशावः उपविशामः.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. प्रभाकर महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
प्रभाकर महोदय.
Yes, sir.
भवति and अस्ति, both are yours.
Bhavati and
अस्ति.
Okay, sir. Bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti. Yes, sir. Correct, no? Bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavatah, bhavata. भवामि भवावः भवामः.
अस्ति
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति. असि स्तः स्थ. अस्मि स्वः स्मः.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. दाक्षायणी आर् भगिनी.
महोदय.
शीघ्रम् आगच्छतु. स्थापयति
स्थापयति स्थापयतः स्थापयन्ति.
उत्तमम्.
स्थापसि स्थापतः स्थापयत स्थापयामि स्थापवावः स्थापवामः.
पुनः वदतु.
स्थापयति स्थापयतः स्थापयन्ति.
समीचीनम्. अग्रे.
स्थापयसि स्थापयतः स्थापयत.
उत्तमम्.
स्थापयामि स्थापयावः स्थापवामः
स्थापयामः.
स्थापयामः.
स्थापयामि स्थापयावः स्थापयामः. उत्तमं भगिनि. प्रयत्नः. पुनः पुनः अन्यपदानि उपयुज्य वाक्यानि रचयतु. चैत्रा भगिनी.
महोदय. आं महोदय.
चैत्रा भगिनी, वेर आर् यू?
आं महोदय.
वेर आर् यू फ्रॉम?
बेङ्गलूरु.
अस्तु भगिनि. इदानीं स्मरति. अदर्स् प्लीस् कीप् क्वैट्. चैत्रा भगिनी, यू स्टार्ट नौ विथ स्मरति. You are in mute now. Saitra Bhagini, you are in mute now.
Smarati.
Ah.
Smarati, smaratah, smaranti.
Ah.
Smarasi, smaratah, smaratha.
Ah.
Smarami, smaramaha, smaravaha. Smaramaha. Smarami.
Ah.
Smaravaha.
Ah.
Smaramaha.
Uttam. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Venkatraman Mahodaya.
महोदय
इदानीं now प्रेषयति
प्रेषयति प्रेषतः प्रेषन्ति
पुनः
प्रेषसि
पुनः
प्रेषतः
पुनः
प्रेषत
पुनः वदतु
प्रशति
प्रेषयति
प्रेषयति प्रेषयति प्रेषयतः प्रेषयन्ति प्रेषयसि प्रेषयतः प्रेषयत प्रेषयामि प्रेषयावः प्रेषयामः.
Now it is perfectly all right. Previously perfectly wrong.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
अस्तु एकनिमिषं तिष्ठन्तु. वरेण्य वरेण्य मैथिली राघवन.
महोदय.
प्रक्षालयति
प्रक्षालयति प्रक्षालयति प्रक्षालयतः प्रक्षालयन्ति प्रक्षालयसि प्रक्षालयसि प्रक्षालयत प्रक्षालयत प्रक्षालयामि प्रक्षालयतः
प्रक्षालयावः
प्रक्षालयावः प्रक्षालयामः.
Today onwards in your house Sanskritam should get echoed there. So proudly we have to start. We know everything now. Bhavan patati, aham patami, tvam patasi, aham prakshalayami, tvam khadasi. Evam vadamaha. Abhyasam kurmaha. Astu. Today you got tvam, but don't use much. It is rarely used in Sanskrit. Okay. In other languages you may use it frequently, but in Sanskrit with the Maryada only we are speaking always. Now the point is got cleared. Any doubt in this topic? Any doubt in this topic? See, you have the chart here. Don't make noise, please. I am very happy without your noise. See, hasati. You can start now. Hasati, hasata, hasanti. Hasasi, hasata, hasatha. Hasami, hasavaha, hasavaha. Don't take roditi and everything. Shunoti, don't take. You take the normal words, because it becomes some alteration there. Roditi, shunoti, karoti, etc. Normal verbs you take it. Pibati, patati, likati, chalati, dhavati. Don't take kurdate, snati. Don't take it. You see, take very easy kriya padams only for abhyasam purpose. Astu. Whatever you feel something extraordinary, don't take it. See, dadati, svikaroti, krinati, vikrinite, don't take it. Leave it. Take easy only. Okay, yeah. You need not submit. You have to practice first. Then only we are writing. First we have to by heart it. For writing, I will give separately next week. Now this week you have to entirely go through all these files. What are the files? One is Namapadam, Sarvanamapadam. Then you have to apply the application, Kriya Padam, application, and this template. This template should be get by hearted. Astu. One template is this one. Here itself, if you analysis and study it, then you can go to this page. Just by heart it. This is enough. The same only. There we have separately mentioned here. Patati, patataha, patanti. It comes here. Patasi, patataha, patata. Patami, patavaha, patamaha. Just to go through once again, apply it, analysis it. Very easy. I kept it separately. See, saha, kaha, saha, balakaha. Like that you have to form. Tau, cow, cow, balakau. Te, te, balakaha. Saha, patati. Tau, patataha. Te, patanti. Balakaha, patati. Balakau, patataha. Balakaha, patanti. You ask yourself question. Kaha patati? Kau patataha? Ke patanti? There is no one is to answer you. So you have to reply, answer yourself. Ramaha patati. Ramo patataha. Ramaha patanti. Gacchati. Kaha gacchati? Janakaha gacchati. Kau gacchataha? Janakau gacchataha. Ye gachanti? Janakaha gachanti. So you need not worry. There is no people to me to practice. You stand in front of you, the big mirror. Keep this file and loudly speak yourself. Astu va? Hema Malini Bhagini agatavati va?
Mahoday.
Asti bhavati. Anya adya. Agachati Bhagini. Bhavatyaha samayah.
धन्यवादः महोदय. पृष्ठतः किमपि ध्वनिः श्रूयते वा अथवा स्पष्टमस्ति वा मम ध्वनिः?
सम्यक् अस्ति भगिनि.
अस्तु अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः. नमः सर्वेभ्यः. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. नमो नमः. नमः सर्वेभ्यः. So we will again now move on to Bhagavad Gita. We had seen up to shloka number 4 the other day. We will move on to shloka 5. We will see 3 shlokas today, 5, 6 and 7. After seeing the meanings, we will have one adhyayanam or parayanam. I think today's turn is of Ramaswamy Mahoday. He had given his name, so I'm going by the order. Ramaswamy Mahoday will join me later on after I finish the meanings. So we saw that Arjuna was raising a question and Bhagavan was beautifully answering him. Among the 2 different types of people, one worshipping the Saguna Brahman, that is himself, that is Bhagavan Krishna, and the other kind of people who worship the unmanifest Nirguna Brahman. Who does Bhagavan consider the best was a question raised by Arjuna, and Bhagavan was beautifully answering him. All those devotees who fix their mind in me with supreme faith and worship me, I consider them the best, he said. But he also went ahead and said that those who worship the unmanifest is what he said in shloka number 4. In shloka number 3 and 4, he went ahead and defined or he described the qualities of Nirguna Brahma. And he also said all those devotees who worship the Nirguna Brahman, who are even-minded and also without any partiality, and also who are always interested in the welfare of all living beings and controlling their senses, they eventually reach me is what he said. So that was up to shloka 4. So I gave this synopsis to have a continuity of what we had read until 4. We will now see shloka number 5. Can I start? Sorry. Can I repeat? Your good name, please. Nithilya. Nithilya, can I call you after I finish the meanings? I will definitely call you. I promise I will call you. Now you go on mute. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Shloka number 5. Yeah. All of you, please stay on mute so that we can have a peaceful hearing. Thank you so much. Kleshodhikatarastesham avyaktasaktachetasam avyaktahi gatar dukkham dehavadbhiravapyade. So we will now see the padachedam first. Shloka number 5. Kleshaha adhikatarah tesham avyakta asakta chetasam avyakta hi gatihi dukkham dehavatbhihi avapyate. So he is again talking about here, that is Bhagavan is talking about here, the devotee who is worshipping the unmanifest. He is describing the kind of difficulty that this devotee who is worshipping the unmanifest would go through. So he's saying kleshaha. Kleshaha is difficulty. It's not going to be very easy. It's very tough. Adhika taraha, it's pretty high. For who? Tesham, those people, avyakta asakta chetasam. Chetasam is mind, intellect, etc. So where is their mind or intellect fixed at is avyakta. Asakta is interested, attached to, etc. Avyakta is the formless. So their mind, their intellect is attached towards the formless Brahma, that is Nirguna Brahma. Those people, Bhagavan is saying, it's going to be tough for them to achieve their goal of reaching the Nirguna Brahman because Dehavadbihi avyaktahi gatihi dukkham avapyate. Why would there be a difficulty? He is saying a reason for that also. Avyaktahi gatihi. Gatihi is margam, the path. The path which is avyakta. Path is, you are taking the route where the devotee is going towards the unmanifest. He's worshipping the unmanifest, the formless. So he can't visualize anything. If it is Bhagavan Krishna, then we know that he's a Pitambaradhari, he's got a flute in his hand, and he's also got this beautiful crowns. And we have so many descriptions in Bhagavatam about him as to how he looks, how he's extremely beautiful with, Kankanam, Keyuram, etc. All those descriptions are there for us to visualize them beautifully. We have a lot of pictures, a lot of people are drawing. So if it is, that's very easy for us to visualize and think about and meditate on specific picture, chitram of Lord in our heart or here also in the Agneya Chakram. But when it comes to Nirguna Brahman, how will you visualize? It becomes difficult. So he's saying, Avyaktahi gatihi, the path of the unmanifest. Avyakta is the formless. Dukkham dehavadbihi. Why? Is because he's giving a very subtle reason. Dehavadbihi. We all have body. We are not formless. We have a specific body. We have hands, we have legs, we have different parts of the body. So we are cued to a specific form. Everything is being seen by us with a specific form. We see animals in a specific form. We see plants in a specific form. We see birds in a specific form. So everything has a form. So everything has a deham. So dehavadbihi is those who have deham, by those people like us. If we try to follow that route, then that path is actually quite a bit of painful experience. So he's saying, dukkham avapyate. You will attain it, but then you will have a lot of painful points there. There are a lot of pain points in that particular path is what he's saying. That is 5. So we'll move on to 6 now. Subsequently, he is also giving an alternative. To make things easy for us, he's giving an alternative. Ye tu sarvani karmani mai sanyasya matparaha ananyenaiva yogena mam dhyayantaha upasate. So think of a situation where a devotee is sitting in somewhere in a forest, quitting everything and, kind of meditating towards the unmanifest. It's really difficult. And what will happen to people like us who are in the family, etc.? What will we do? We also need to attain his lotus feet. So he's giving a solution here. Yetu, those people, sarvani karmani. So we're all doing karmas. So we are doing a lot of activities. So sarvani karmani, all our activities, Mayi in me, that is Bhagavan Krishna is saying, Mayi sanyasya, you give it as a samarpanam to me. You dedicate it towards me. Matparaha, consider me as a supreme. Ananyenaiva yogena, don't follow any other yogic practice. Ananyena is nothing else, only on Bhagavan Krishna. So only on Bhakti Yogam on Bhagavan Krishna without any other deviation within quote, any other deviation, that is Ananyena, Ena Eva Yogena. Mam Dhyayantaha, Mam is me, that is Bhagavan Krishna, Dhyayantaha, who meditate upon me and me only, Upasate, who is worshipping. He's going to say in the next sloka what he's going to do. So I'll give a patachedam. Yetu sarvani karmani mai sanyasya mat paraha. Pretty easy only. Ananyena yeva yogena mam dhyayantaha upasate. That is, who meditate upon me and worship me. So what will he do for them? He's going to say in the next sloka, Tesham aham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat partha mayi mayaveshita chetasam. That is mayi aveshita chetasam. We'll give the padachedam now. Tesham aham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat partha mayi aveshita chetasam. So for those people who is totally cued on to me, that is Bhagavan Krishna, what is he going to do? He's doing something really, really big, which is unthinkable, immeasurably big. What is he going to do? Tesham, for them, aham, me, that is Bhagavan Krishna, samudharta bhavami. Samudharta is, I will be instrumental in elevating you from where? From mrityu samsara sagarat. Okay, why does he talk about mrityu here? Every person who is born, everything which is born, every living being has to have an end. So that is a rule. That is a rule. That's called kala dharma, right? So anybody who's born will have an end. We have to give up this body. So that mrityu, so which means we know that probably many of us know that you may have had millions of births. You may have been born as a, you never know, probably as a virus or a bacteria, or we may have been born as an insect or a plant or an animal. You know, never know. And we may have attained this, single cell body initially to start with, and then we may have attained this human body after several millions of births. We know that we don't know that because you know that the universe is as old as 13 billion years or something like that. That's what the researchers say. So we may have attained so many births in the last so many years. We never know that. So it's like an ocean. You get into birth, you come out. You get into birth, you come out. So how many times will we do that? We have to come out of it, because what is the point in being born again and again and again, and then only getting a lot of difficulties, right? So he's saying it's a samsara sagara. So this ocean of existence and then the existence and the death, I will take you away from that. I will elevate you from this, samsara sagaram is what he's saying. Bhavami, I will be so. I will be instrumental in elevating you. Samudharta bhavami. I'll be so. Nachirat, that's not far away. Don't think I'm going to take a long time to do that. Hey, Partha, I'll do it pretty quickly. Like this, I'll do it. And he's again reiterating. To whom will he do it? Mayi, in me, aveshita chetasam. Whose chetasas we saw? It's intellect. Chetasa. So that person whose intellect is aveshita, fixed in me. So now we know the solution. Whose minds and intellects are fixed in Bhagavan Krishna, he is going to be intimate in elevating us from the samsara sagaram. That's what he is beautifully giving us a solution. And by saying this, he's made our lives very easy. You don't have to go to any forest to do any meditation and penance. We just have to think of him. We just have to dedicate everything to Bhagavan Krishna right from morning till evening. All our activities can be dedicated to him. He's going to take care of us. So that's what he says in 7. Now, Mithilya, come over. We will do the Adhyayanam. Shloka from Shloka number 5. Okay, ma'am. Hi, very nice. Okay. Wait. I'll put on the music also. Hold on. I will say once, you will say once, okay? Okay. Shri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha. Shri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Dvadashodhyayah. Atha Dvadashodhyayah. Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga. Now we'll go on to sloka number 5. Okay. Kleshodhikatadastesham. Kleshodhikatadastesham. Avyakta saktachetasam. Avyaktam saktachetasam. Avyakta hi gatir dukkham. Avyakta hi gatir dukkham. Dehavad bhiravapyate. Bhiravapyate. Ma'am, can you say it again? Dehavad bhiravapyate. Dehavad bhiravapyate. Dehavad bhiravapyate. Dherava bhiravapyate. Okay, we'll move on to 6. Okay, you practice Sita. Ye tu sarvani karmani. Ye tu sarvani karmani. Mahi sanyasya matparaha. Mahi sanyasya matparaha. Ananyenaiva yogena. Ananyenaiva yogena. Mam dhyayanta upasate. Mam dhyayanta upasate. Teshamaham samudharta. Teshamaham samudharta. Mrityu samsara sagarat. Mrityu samsara sagarat. Bhavami nachirat partha. Bhavami nachirat partha. Nachirat partha. Nachirat partha. Maya veshita chetasam. Maya veshita chetasam. Dhanyavadaha, Mithilya. Thanks for helping me. Sahayam kritavan bhavan. Thank you so much.
One question to you, madam.
Vadatu Bhagini.
The second line of the 6th shlok. You are reading as Mam Dhyayantaha Upasate,
But there is no visarga there. So we are
Visarga is Visarga Lopam. There's a Visarga Lopam. You will read later, ma'am. It is actually a Sandhi rule. You will read later on.
Okay, thank you.
It is part of Sandhi rules, ma'am. Dhanyavada, Mohoday.
Any सूचना अस्ति वा?
सूचना अस्ति महोदय. अस्ति. It is actually, I need to give a very important information to everybody here. Actually, I had in fact earlier told that by 5th of every month, this month's fees need to be paid. So tomorrow being 5th, I just want to give a very gentle reminder. Many of you may have already paid, I'm sure about that. I think probably if at all a few people have not paid in this group, my humble request is please make a note of you in your calendar for tomorrow so that you can easily do that. It's very easy. You can just do a Google Pay in Mahodai's number. So just please make a note of it in your calendar as a reminder for doing that if you have not done that. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada. Yeah.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
नमो नमः. धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः.
वयं शान्तिमन्त्रम् उक्त्वा समापयामः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं, पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं, लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं गृहे.